Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. With the weather heating up, I thought we could spend some time highlighting a few more ice cold drinks to cool off on a hot summer day. So, for the next couple of months, we will be taking a look at 9 more drink recipes that will surely be a hit at your next summer gathering. For this month, we will be doing another round of Juicy June, where we'll be focusing on 4 different drinks that uses fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some Tequila Sunrise. For this recipe, you will need 4 ounces of orange juice. You can use pre-made juice if you must, but I think it's worth squeezing it fresh. You will also need a half ounce or so of grenadine, 2 ounces of tequila, of course. I recommend using 100% agave, silver tequila, though of course you can use whatever you want in terms of alcohol, such as vodka or even whiskey, though I guess it wouldn't be a tequila sunrise anymore. Also, you can of course leave the alcohol out and make it a no-quila sunrise, though that's kind of just orange juice with grenadine in it. So to spice it up, I recommend adding in another fruit juice, such as pineapple juice or some sparkling water to add some bubbles. And you of course can also add these along with the alcohol version as well. Then for garnish, you will also need an orange slice and a maraschino cherry if you wish. This amount is good for one serving, so adjust your amounts depending on how many drinks you want to make. First, we'll squeeze our fruit juice. So for your orange juice, grab a citrus juicer and squeeze enough juice for your drink, about 2 to 3 oranges. But before juicing all of your oranges, make sure to slice a couple of orange peels or slices for garnish if you wish. If you want to use the pineapple juice, to get the juice from this fruit, first cut off the bottom and top of the pineapple. Then use a long, sharp knife to slice off the peel, and then if you need to, go back in with a smaller paring knife and cut out any of the remaining eye bits. Next, chop up your pineapple into small enough pieces to fit in your juicer or blender. And then when you're ready, place your pineapple chunks into your blender and, well, blend. If you need to, you can add some water to help loosen it up, but once it's blended into a smooth puree, you can use it as is, or if you want to remove the pulp, grab a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve to squeeze out the juice. Then, once your juices are ready, grab a tall glass and fill it with some ice. Next, add in your tequila or alcohol of choice, and then add in your orange juice, pineapple juice, and or sparkling water and give this a stir. Then for the grenadine, you can pour it straight into the glass, but I find it easiest to take a spoon and place it against the glass with the back of the spoon facing up, and then slowly pour the grenadine syrup over the back of the spoon, down the side of the glass, and the grenadine should sink to the bottom. Finally, add your garnish of orange slices and cherries if desired, and your tequila sunrise is ready to drink. I usually don't like the taste of tequila, but I do like tequila sunrises, though that's probably because the sugar in the orange juice masks the taste of the alcohol. Interestingly, though, the original tequila sunrise didn't actually include orange juice, but instead consisted of tequila, creme de cassis, a black currant liqueur, lime juice, and soda water. Though, for either version of this recipe, you should have a very pretty drink that, if you pour the grenadine right, should hopefully look like a sunrise. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And, well, blend.
Every time.